Congratulations, baddies and buddies. It's Tanya Lawrence, the blockchain queen, and I'm so proud of you for completing your cryptocurrency course. Now it's time to get your Coinbase app set up so that you can purchase your first digital currency. We're going to start off by having you download the Coinbase app. Go to coinbase.tanyalawrence.com, download the app, and when you're finished, come back to this video. I'll wait for you. Okay, now that you've completed downloading the app, I'm going to show you how to get the app started.
Towards the bottom. Fill out your first and last name, email address, and enter a secure password. Check off the box agreeing to the terms and conditions, then tap on Create Account. You'll be prompted to verify your email address and follow the steps similar to when signing up on Coinbase.com. In order to trade crypto, you will need to complete the identity verification steps and add a payment method, which can be done now or later in your settings. Congratulations on creating your Coinbase account. Start exploring the Coinbase app to begin trading or simply to learn. Start.
So that easy, that was it. That's all you have to do to get your Coinbase app set up. In the next video, we will show you how to add a payment method to your Coinbase app.